So we got the little RV out of the shop. We had a loose cabinet and the awning was not closing all the way. So me and the missus, we thought, hey, let's take her for a spin. And you know, we were gonna go down a little bumpy road here to it's kind of steep. It's a little bit steep, but we're gonna check it out. We're gonna, oh boy, this is a little steeper than I thought. Wow, wow, that is, whoa, whoa, this is much steeper than I anticipated, but yeah, it handles it pretty good though. We had the suspension adjusted a little bit, make the springs a little softer, because we do like to enjoy getting off the beaten track a little bit, taking roads, you know, people don't normally go down. And you know, this is an example of one of our, you know, where we haven't taken it before. Let's just take it. Who cares, right? It's just a road. I mean, what could go wrong? So, you know, we've got solar. We can go like 2-3 days in the clouds and still have power. But oh, good, it's smoothing out a little bit here. Yeah. So I think this has worked out. There's a little rattle still. I don't know if that's, you know, the cabinets or the awning, but hopefully we're good there. But yeah, overall, she seems to handle a lot better than that last trip we took to the beach. It was a little rocky. So good deal.